Hi everyone, I'm Nigel Isaac with Allanson. We're at our Toronto corporate headquarters, and I'm standing here with Jing, our production technician. Today we're excited to unveil our latest innovation, our 6mm Skyline Flex border tubing. This product will complement our existing 11mm product that you can see right behind me. We'll go through 5 stages of the preparation process. This will include how to properly cut, how to clean, solder, seal, and of course, final test to make sure the product is assembled properly. Okay, our technician, Jing, will prepare our 6mm silicone flex tubing. Using a specialized cutter, you want to cut right on the cut increment. Cut increments are basically on the tube. You will see them approximately every 0.35 of an inch. Now he's preparing the 6mm tube into a jig, and he's prepping for soldering. Now what he's doing is he's removing any excess silicone that is in the area of the solder pads, therefore exposing the 2 solder pads. Now he's preparing the lead wire through the end caps. A good wire stripper is needed, and what he wants to do here is cut off a piece to expose the wires approximately 1/4 of an inch, not more than that. Use a good solder iron set at about 700 degrees Fahrenheit. After pre-tinning of the solder pads, it's pre-tinning the joints with a bit of solder. Now he's trimming it down to that critical lead length. And carefully affix those leads onto the 2 solder pads. And of course the solder pads are labeled positive and negative. After lighting it up to verify positive and negative are set up properly, that tube is ready for processing the end cap with silicone. And what he's doing is he's filling the inside of the end cap with silicone, copious amount, just to make sure everything is sealed properly when he puts it together. The end of the tube is also being reinforced with lots of silicone. As he closes up the end, he likes to put a tool inside, and that makes sure that air is being drawn out of the tube and silicone is being spread along that tube evenly. Last stage is he wants to take the excess silicone out. He wants to make sure there's enough silicone on the exterior to seal that tube further to the end cap. The final stage is he's affixing a dead end cap onto the tubing, and again, don't be shy with the silicone. You want to use enough to coverage, because this is the area where water can ingress and cause a short on an outdoor product. taking the air out, making his cleaning pass, lighting it up one final time to make sure everything is sound, as we do with every tube that we process at Allanson. Very good. For more information, please visit our website at www.allanson.com or contact your local rep in your area. Choose superior lighting solutions today. Allanson's tried, trusted, and true. Thank you very much and have a great day.